teman ya di kamjai jai mong.
Teman ko pa mian eh. Yang hana hab mudu ya u MLA sungi.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino memang ah. Abang alim tak lah post nyang buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Menteri Kesorkar Jela bakmi ikatanan kakia ubah waila W.Shylla ula penting Kesorkar Jela kelapun kuilut di Jingsiew bedang sateng syaki hinyo hajar ngut tam kidang toy Asha bat kumakalong menta kikam bedang sateng ki David nakaliang jong ki Asha omsyu na Kesorkar hagajinga keren makilat thai kubor W.Shylla ula yato bakinang toy Asha kla Weng ru ki Jingsangeh Treikam kabaklamput sngi.
Asha, we already solved the issue. I think I don't know whether you have got the report or not because they have already called off their strike because we already resolved the issues.
The Ashas, you are already clear.
We already clear. There are some issue pending, not from the department, but with them. So, but they do realize that and they have called off the strike. Once again, I'll just like to reiterate myself that it is already called off. It's already clear. This is clear also after the meeting with MD only. Just I think yesterday or day before, something like that. But as per my knowledge, it's already the Asha already called off the strike and like I said, there are some issue, but it's not with the government, but it is from their part.